What's going on, YouTube family and friends? Welcome back to the channel. And what we came to talk about here in today's video, of course, is no other than DJT. If you did catch today's video where I told you guys, do this now, make money tomorrow. And that was on that put option, ladies and gentlemen, for DJT for the $28 strike. We opened up here at 83 cents, ultimately giving you an opportunity to buy this contract under 90 cents. And just to let you guys know, if we look at our theoretical price on our price calculator here on Moomoo, as you guys can see here, it's currently sitting here at $3.75 here in the aftermarket hours, and I believe that is what you call a home run play, ladies and gentlemen. If you did take that put option alert, let me know in the comment section below by saying easy money. Now, as you all know, ladies and gentlemen, we are in the race to sale in DJT, and it seems as though that things are going to get even worse here as time goes on, and that is why we have those $30 strike put options for DJT at a later date. And if you know about that, ladies and gentlemen, then you know. But anyway, if we go back to DJT here really quickly, as you guys can see here, that break through the mid Bollinger Band is a death spiral for sure. I do feel as though that we're headed towards this lower, which is around $21 here early off next week. So with that being said, if you're still holding DJT, you may want to consider put options to hedge your position if you do feel as though that this thing is going to make a solid turnaround. But ladies and gentlemen, this thing is going to see a bounce here pretty soon for those that is looking for a great swing trade, but I wouldn't try to predict it. I will actually buy into the short cover wave that is going to take place here sooner than later. If we take a brief look and just check out our capital trend from today's trading, huge outflow activity on the block orders, not as big as the previous 2 days, but 32.21 million isn't a slouch in anything to look past, ladies and gentlemen. I do feel as though that today's SSR situation may actually cause a bounce here tomorrow, so I will keep my eyes out on that. We haven't gotten the short sell analysis just yet, but I will be updating you guys over in the Discord. And if you do want to sign up for the Discord, remember the sign up link is in the description below. We did get 2 nice short selling days here on Wednesday and Tuesday, so it's going to be very interesting what we see here today. I do feel as though that if we do see a short cover wave take place here tomorrow, then ladies and gentlemen, we should be back around those $31 levels, but I don't think that is likely. Last but not least, we're going to talk about the best stock to buy that is currently under $25, and that is NNE, ladies and gentlemen. If you have been keeping up with the channel, then you are familiar with nano-nuclear energy. Now, as you guys can see here, that break through the mid Bollinger Band to the upside is a very great sign, and I do feel as though that we're headed towards that upper around $24, but I do feel as though that we're going to be breaking that $27 here in the month of November. Right around those $30 levels we should be approaching here in NNE before the month is over with. This is one of those stocks that I do feel as though is going to reach $2 billion in market cap here by the end of next year. They do have an awesome product, and I'm very bullish on this thing. Far as a nice swing trade for next week, I do feel as though that NNE will reach those $24 levels, like I said, early off next week. So for those that is looking for a nice solid swing trade, NNE is one of those stocks that you may want to consider. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, if you haven't already, make sure you smash that like button. And again, if you're wondering about tomorrow's live stream, we will be pushing it back towards 1 p.m. Due to technical difficulties. So with that being said, I'm going to let you guys go, and may the gains be with you.